Hi, my name is David the Magician. Welcome to my magic of cards. Card magic is a very important actual thing that you could do with cards. You may take the ace of spades backwards or not. Take the four of spades. They disappear actually. You can actually just make that disappear. Watch it closer near the wall. It actually looks like it vanishes right into the wall and then it comes back. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, actually, you just gotta kind of like, take it, just turn it over. Oh. Just take it like that, actually. It's a very high-tech vanish. Now, if you want to take that four of spades, which is right here, which I got right here, you can actually show, that's one card. Sorry, hold on, I just gave that. Four of spades, actually. Four of spades, turn it over in my hand, changes into the ace of spades. Yes. And of course, you also just take that four of spades, make it reappear. So actually, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can do this one, where you just vanish the card, vanish this card, bring that card back to view, bring that card, oh, excuse me. Thank you. Now you could also do that with coins too. Jumbo coins I think are a little hard to do because they have a lot of weight to them, as you can hear. So, but you're doing this the same way actually that you would use any other vanish that you may use actually. Like that. So, I know, you just go like this, you just kind of like flip like that, actually, just bring back to view like that. So, in a little bit of a faster way method, this is a little bit big actually to use, but from back here, it looks really good. And it looks like the coin vanished, and there you go. Has to be done from a little bit of a distance, but it's easy to actually do actually, and I highly recommend it if you practice a lot. Now these are one-handed vanishes actually. These are one-handed vanishes. It's one-handed vanishes that I'm doing here. These are, so you have to really pay attention to what you're at. See, you have to really pay attention how you're twisting this. That's not the secret though. So you just, right there, vanish. There you go. Back to the card vanish or a smaller coin. This could be done close up. Because now this is a regular type of vanish. This right here would be a regular type of jumbo coin vanish. You have to really make it look like you just made it disappear. Sometimes they do get a flash of it, yes. Sometimes your hands cramps up a little bit, but that's okay. That doesn't mean anything negative. It just means that you need to just put more practice into doing the vanish itself. Or you could just go like this. Watch. See, really you have to do it just like that. If you could do it just like that, 1, 2, so you have to do this with practice like. Practice will make this happen a little bit more instantaneously than the actual. This is a very heavy coin I'm using here. So when I actually take this and I blow on this, it disappears. Yes. Take this card. Well, I'll drop that card, pick up that card, and vanish this card. Watch right here, vanish this card right here. And this card actually just vanishes like that. It's a very simple vanish. It's a very tough vanish, but it's also a very good vanish. Close your hand just a little bit, blow on it, and the coin or the card actually just disappears like that. That's pretty cool. But personally, I like the front to back palm actually. Done with actually either doing it with a coin or just not a coin. You can just flip it around like this. You know, just flip it around like that. You want to make it look like you actually just toss the coin up. Boop. It's going actually, then just boop, boop. And just make it look like you just vanished the coin. Another great vanish you could do is do that with you could do another good vanish you could do with tossing up the coin like that. And you could also just simultaneously just vanish the coin. That's why you gotta be careful when you do this. You gotta have your dexterity out and ready to go. Thank you. I'm David the Magician. I'll see you next year. You could also do that, but I'm just joking now. I'm not done yet. This is actually going to happen with a jumbo coin. You could do this now just by tossing the card up into the air, catching it like that. So you're just going to be tossing the card up into the air. On a count of 1, 2, 3. Right there. Right here. Now, using the boundaries that you would use for doing just taking it like that, vanishing like that. There you go. You do that with a card too, the same way. But you just have to, the jumbo coin, you just have to really specify the vanish happenings. You can't really hide your hand actually. You could hide your hand, but that doesn't mean the coin's not going to flash a little bit like that. There's ways how to get your fingers to move very, very quickly when you do this. And that's how you get the card to vanish very quickly. Or reappear like that. You don't have to really, just make your fingers very limber. the card reappear. Don't worry about what it looks like. Worry about how much practice you're putting into that one move. If you are sticking just to that one routine of move. Like with this coin, watch. Goes into my hand like that. Watch. Oh, and just so you know, actually, it's not in this hand. It's actually in this hand right here. But now I'm going to vanish it by showing you this hand's empty. Turn that over. Rub. Gone. There you go. Now, I do have a straitjacket escape that I'm going to be doing sometime next week, actually. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Just so you know that this is nothing fake, actually. This is heavy. It's heavy. You can actually see how it stands up right on my arm, actually. It's thick. It's got buckles that you could drag a horse with. And it does not stretch or anything like that. I actually just put an extra hole in it by trying to make it tighter. It had 9 holes, now it has 10. So this is what I'll be using next week or anytime. Hopefully next week I'll have enough practice actually to get out of this thing. I'm David the Magician. I'll see you later.